Hello, Carl Wooten with XL Fluid Group. I'd like to have a chat to you today about some common questions we receive around pump stations. The question today is, how long does a submersible wastewater pump station last? Pump stations are designed with a 30 to 50 year life cycle, but in reality this can be negatively affected by a number of factors. These factors can include groundwater infiltration, poor incoming power service neglect from operations teams, non-organic media entering the waste stream and affecting the pumps, piping, and valves, and inclement weather events such as flooding or lightning strikes all affect the life cycle of a pump station. Also, the applications that a pump station is serving affects its life cycle. Pump stations that would service a nursing home or a truck stop or a prison, as you can understand, would well have a more difficult life than a pump station servicing maybe an office building or condominium housing association. Our recommendation is for maximum pump station service life is to have regular scheduled service to ensure your pump station lasts for its intended life cycle. XL Fluid Group offers a Maintenance Plus program that achieves just that. From quarterly, semi-annually, or annual pump station inspection and maintenance, this will ensure your pump station lasts for its intended life cycle and potentially for many years beyond that. Give us a like, follow us online, or give us a call about your next pump station project. Have a great day.